morning, everyone. I just spent a good 20 minutes probably setting up this camera mount in my car, so it's still kind of a weird angle, but it'll have to be good enough. Anyway, I'm currently on my way to Virginia with no way of knowing whether or not I will actually come home with another car. It all comes down to how much I can get on a trade-in for this car and how good my negotiating skills are. So we'll see. I always say spontaneity is the spice of life, and I try to live by it, which right now I definitely am. Also being neurotic, but that's okay. This is an adventure. So I am probably going to get home around 1 a.m. today. So fun road trip day. Hopefully I'll be coming home in a new car, but if not, that's okay. That's life. I would be lying if I said I wouldn't be a little bit heartbroken about it, but there are other ones out there, and the timing now is a good time for it. But if it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out, and so well. Oh well. Officially in Virginia. I just crashed. I really cannot speak. I'm sorry. I just crossed over the border, and I'm so excited to be in Virginia. I love driving in Virginia. I actually kind of have a fear of Virginia because, for one, anything over 80 miles an hour is a reckless driving ticket, which is like a minimum of $500. And radar detectors are illegal, so I have removed mine. So there's nothing that you can really do other than obviously not speed to prevent that or to know where the cops are. Honestly, I always run ways, but I kind of have like any time I pass a cop that's hiding or something, like even if I'm not speeding at all, like I'm not speeding right now, I just in my heart I'm like, I know they're gonna pull me over when it's not justified if I'm not speeding, but I'm terrified of it. So I get to spend the rest of the day driving on the interstate in Virginia, so can't wait for that, but hopefully it'll be worth it. And I'm trying to find a Chick-fil-A. It's now 9:58, so I'm kind of cutting it close to breakfast, but I really want to get some chicken minis. Sure enough, I have been in Virginia for about 15 minutes now, and I've already seen 3 people pulled over, 2 on my side, 1 on the other. So I hope this isn't going to be a tiring drive. Well, exactly what I was hoping wouldn't happen has happened. I have hit a traffic jam. It seems more like they're doing road work than an accident, so hopefully it'll go by fast. This person thinks they can just zoom by. I just saw an interesting sight. Luckily, I am out of the traffic now, but there's a huge traffic jam on the other side. I got a notification of an accident on Waze, and luckily, like I said, it's on the other side, but what it is a tractor trailer that is completely burnt to the crisp. Like, I've never seen anything like that. I hope everyone was okay, but I feel so bad for everyone over here because it's just stopped. Like, I think they have 2 out of 3 lanes shut down to clean it up, I guess, but I'm so glad, knock on wood, that I haven't gotten stuck in that. So a lot of you guys have been asking me how I keep my thin figure, and the answer is I just always eat healthy. Like, I just love kale and celery. Like, that's all I live off of. Just kidding. Honestly, it's kind of my only option. I don't really know where I am, but it is definitely not a very populated area. Got my horsey sauce though. And it's time to hit the road again. Gotta get to get out, stretch my legs, pee, and now hopefully I can make it all the way there without stopping again. I'm making a quick stop at Starbucks because I am so tired, and it looks like it's gonna rain. There's like a big storm coming through, so I want to be fully alert as I can for that. has arrived. I'm so excited to drive on the interstate in it. I just picked up a grande iced coffee with half the sweetener and milk. Pretty boring order. I usually get a iced cappuccino with blonde espresso and cold foam. I really recommend it if you are someone that likes more of like the coffee shop type tasting of coffee, not as much like Starbucks taste. And then
turn right, then turn right.
And then the cold foam is really good. Oh my gosh, I don't know if you can even hear me right now. This is by far the worst rain that I've ever driven in. I am going 32 miles an hour on the interstate. I have my hazards on. Like, I'm usually someone that, like, when I see people driving with their hazards in the rain, I'm like, okay, come on, like, it's not that bad. But everyone around me has their hazards on, and like, I can't even see the lines on the road. Like, taking this rain is a good sign because I realized that for today, the heaviest rain that I had ever driven in was actually the day that I went to pick this car up. So maybe it's a sign that things are going to work out. I just stopped at a rest stop to kind of freshen up, pee, and now I am like minute away from the dealership. Literally, I didn't film it because I was obviously, you know, focused on driving, but that was the worst weather I have ever had to drive through. It was actually terrifying at times. The road started to flood. I was so afraid of either like hydroplaning and getting in a wreck or being rear-ended or like my car braking on the way up here that I was like, it's okay, we can do this. But we're finally here. I'm trying to figure out, there's a bunch of dealerships here. I'm trying to figure out which one it is. I made it. It already appears that I am in good company. Aw, look at those two together. Let's go on in. So a bit of a bittersweet moment right now. Honestly, more sweet. I'm saying goodbye to this car and hello to this car. So goodbye, Heidi. I would say thanks for being good to me, but honestly you were not. But I will miss you dearly. This has been a really good car for me, and I'm still pretty sad to see it go. But I am excited for the M235i. I guess I never showed you guys the interior, but I'm kind of gonna miss this really pretty red interior. I can't believe I'm actually saying this right now, but I am in my M235i. I can't actually believe that I bought this car. This is insane. I am so excited. I have been waiting for this day for a good year now, and yeah, it feels like a dream. So far, I've been driving on the interstate for about an hour or two, maybe, no, not even that long, just like in traffic for an hour or two, and it's so nice. Like, the transmission is not bad at all to be in traffic with. It's The comfort suspension is very comfortable, obviously. I don't really know what to say. I'm just like kind of speechless. So now I have the 7-hour drive back home. I think my GPS says that I'm supposed to get there, let's see, 3:17 a.m. And then I still have to pack for the beach. And then I have to get up the next morning and go. But you know what? That's the type of life that I enjoy. I have always said spontaneity is the spice of life, and I like to live by it. I think I said that earlier today. But this is the type of thing I live for, so I'm deeply, truly happy right now. So I'm making a quick stop at Chick-fil-A, and I am here eating alone because I am going to try not to eat in the new car, which we all know is not going to last long at all, but at least the day that I bought it, I don't want to get greasy fry grease and sandwich grease all over my new car. But yeah, I'm gonna try to eat fast. Good morning, everybody. I made it home safely. I'm losing my voice. I didn't vlog for the rest of the night because my camera battery died, but here it is. There's two. Look at those two together. Hello, future Emery here. So I'm editing this video and I realized that I didn't film an outro for it. I guess I was just so excited and frazzled with traveling and stuff that I forgot to do it, but I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching this video. I know it's probably not the most entertaining one, but I feel like it's a pretty significant moment in my life that I wanted to document, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will definitely be doing a lot more car videos that are hopefully more entertaining, better made, better content. But this is kind of just, like I said, a documentation process so that I can look back on it and to kind of serve as an announcement and a goodbye to my old car. So if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more updates on this car, what I'm doing in the car world, events that I go to, photo shoots, stuff like that, subscribe down below and also check out my other social media for more photography things. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.